What is up, everyone? How are you doing? So today is the day we will be officially putting the 1JZ S13 on the dyno. Hopefully. So now the headlights are officially back on the car. It actually looks like a car again. It looks like a Sylvia, and I'm so excited. Of course, we're still stuck with some mismatched headlights. One brick, one double projector, because that's all I got left. That's it. So no hood for now, but the engine is all back together. Coil packs are in, and we're good to go. So we're gonna pull it out, put it to base map a little bit more. For some reason, I can't get my VVT-I solenoid to actuate. If it doesn't actuate, then probably still gonna dyno tune it and try to just tune around it, just like I said, so I could drive it around. But it would be really nice to have the VVT-I. So yeah, let's start our day. As you know, this car is fully set up on a Link G4 Plus Fury ECU with all of Link sensors. We have Link map sensor, Link intake air temperature sensor, Link flex fuel sensor, Link fuel pressure sensor, Link oil pressure sensor, everything. I am so excited to be on this management. You have no idea. I was going crazy trying to find the perfect ECU for this car, and the Link is definitely it. But of course, huge shout out to Link for helping me out with the ECU and all the sensors and just getting my car right. So hey RJ, happy birthday.
Hey Jim, thanks.
We've been playing with the S13 trying to get the VVT out of work, and
I see that you are having issues.
Well, if any fluid had to be on the ground,
you're glad it's gasoline?
I'm glad it's gasoline, because it means it's not from the engine compartment, so yeah. I guess that's good.
Yeah.
Maybe not, so.
I mean, fuel is kind of cheap now.
Man, what a mess.
You got a match?
Stop, RJ, stop. But what if? Oh boy.
My hands aren't that dry.
I think I know what this is from.
That's like 4 gallons of fuel.
I think it's like 2.
Maybe 5.
That's like $7.
How much do you want to bet? Do we have any kind of way to figure it out?
Boy. So the rear line just broke. I fixed it. Oh boy. But now I think I'm out of gas because it doesn't want to stay running. Whatever. If that's the only issue I have, then I'm cool with that. But B-All is here, and he's switching to his summer wheels. It's about time.
It actually snow flurried last night.
It did. It was weird.
I don't care.
I'm over it. You look so good. But last time he drove, he did something. So
flip him and it'll be good.
You can flip him, yeah? Plenty of meat left on those.
Yeah, it'll be good.
Yeah.
At least an event.
Where did this come from?
Yo, I snapped the head off the Geico guy at work. And I said, write me a better estimate, bitch.
Whose chair is this? Not my chair, not my problem. Look,
I'm the king of the trees.
King of the trees. I'm the tree meister.
Hey, yo, whoa!
Only OGs remember. Nice, I'm gonna spill a bunch of this.
It sounds so good.
Oh my gosh. Good job, Jimmy. Alright, so unfortunately, my computer died and I can't do any more until my buddy shows up with my cable. And it's already getting late, so there's a possibility we won't make it on dyno because Kenny has plans tonight, so. Fingers crossed we get this thing tuned today, because I really need to get it tuned today. So the car's been running and driving all day, and I finally go to head to the dyno and the car starts misfiring, which is just my luck for today, so. Not super happy. I'm just gonna assume that the plugs are fouled because it's the only thing I can actually think of right now. Just because it started when I revved it up when it was cold, which it runs really rich when it's cold right now, so fingers crossed it's that easy. Too bad it's just a pain in the ass to do all this. What do we got? Spanked ass plugs.
Shit. You ever play hacky sack?
Alright guys, very anticlimactic, but unfortunately it is now too late. We can't get on the dyno today. That sucks. But let's just change out the plugs, get fresh ones in there, get ready for whenever we can get back on, and just enjoy the rest of our day. I still want to raise the car up a little bit. And well, I don't want to raise the car up, but the exhaust's too low, so I gotta raise it up. So.
Hell yeah, guys! Did some spring cleaning today. Vacuumed it up on the inside a little bit. Swapped out the winter wheels for the summer ones. I'm pretty excited. This is definitely different situation than it was last year with my SLR caster bushings and the E36 arms, but it just barely rubs, so that's all right. I'm sure it'll stop making noise soon, but I'm pretty stoked for that. Another thing I did a little while back is I got this rear diffuser off of a 2019 Nissan Altima, and it's didn't come out perfect. I still gotta trim this line a little bit better, but you don't know anyone with an E46 who's got one of those. Either way, I'm pretty excited how it's turning out, and I can't wait for next week when we're gonna slide the crap out of this car.
So one downfall about the LQ9 conversion is it takes forever to change spark plugs. It is a process.
You have been doing this for like, what, half hour?
It's okay, it's not that long, Bobby. Alright. I miss the SR, it's just
Gone.
hopefully that's the only time I ever say I miss my SR. I mean, I fuck with the SRs. Never forget. But
R.I.P. Should have known better.
Thank God, I found it! I found it! I found it! Yeah! Yeah!
Chip's been having issues with his car.
100%.
He figured out the issue.
Guy wears a white tee to the garage.
All right, this is what you do. Steering rack bushings, people.
Oh my god! How did no one else pick up on this bullshit?
Oh my God, I've literally changed everything but that. Do those, kids. They're definitely crusty if you've never done them. And so you don't go through the shit I just went through. Ha!
Alright, let's just verify this does the trick. Oh man.
I hope it. Oh man. Alright, well, she doesn't want to run for shit now, which is interesting.
It was like 2 years after,
Huh.
2 years after she graduated high school or something. She went and got it, and she had to call her.
Huh. Is right. It doesn't. The misfire doesn't seem consistent, which is like annoying.
It doesn't seem.
No, it seems all over the place.
And you just put fresh plugs in it. I feel like it's something silly.
It's always something.
It's definitely gonna be something silly, just like Bobby G. Bobby G's silly.
I'm silly. Chip, figure it out for me.
Yeah, Jeff.
I'm on it.
So it is now officially running, which is unreal.
So it was something stupid, of course, but I mean, I'm happy because the plugs needed to be changed, regardless if it was the problem or not. But so, thing that happened was my VVTi finally kicked on. I've been messing with the car all afternoon to get my VVTi solenoid to kick on and work, and of course, it randomly turned itself on, which the car won't run right at idle with the VVTi gear open like that. So, whatever. This is the craziest wastegate ever.
That made me very nervous for a second.
That sounds ridiculous.
You were gonna put an internal wastegate. You would have hated it. Yep. That sounds sick.
That's loud. Very loud.
Yep, the tuna.
I'm gonna get your air fuels right. Hold on 1 second here. Now try that. That should hit.
Nice work.
There we go. Fixed it.
This kills me to do it, but I'm gonna raise my car for the sake of practicality. LZ, you'd be so proud. Function and fun. We're gonna balance the function and fun. We can have a little bit of inconvenience if it looks good, you know.
Yeah, you should thread them on by hand.
Shut up, Chip.
Griffith, man.
You know, usually the
Oh, boy.
cutscenes is way better graphics in the gameplay. This one is no different.
Not bad.
It's like just seamless.
Bobby, they even?
What do you think?
I gotta look at the other side first.
Nice.
It's good to me. Oh, wait till I go this.
Yeah, that's it. Steffi's helped me bleed the hydro.
I'm pumping it.
You're doing great. All right, pump her.
How many
There you go.
times?
One more time. All right, nice.
I feel like I'm being watched.
Let me know once it bottoms out.
There you go.
And then pump her up. You're doing great. So the hydro, you bleed just like normal brakes. It has its own master cylinder and reservoir, and we're just pumping her out.
Now what?
That's it. Pump her one more time. How's it feel? Nice and tight?
Yeah.
Hell yeah. All right, so the hydro's bled and the car is raised. And as you guys can see, nothing's hanging anymore. It's at a super functional height, and yeah. I wish coupes could pull off 18s. They just look so big, stock body, but 17s, there it is. As far as that goes, I think that's it for today, unfortunately.
Yeah.
It was supposed to be a big day, but
Yeah, it was a sad day.
things happen. It's okay.
That's alright.
At least I know she's running great, and I have very high confidence that I should have no issues once I am on the dyno, which means we should be good for next weekend.
I'm very proud of you for getting this done
Thank you, Steffi.
before Friday night.
Right? We're getting. Well, I mean, we still got
We're
a lot of work
still
to do, but
there, usually it's like
been a
Thursday
race.
night at 11 at this moment.
yeah, I think we're just gonna end it. So, hope you guys still like today's video, even though
No, it was a great video.
it was a great video.
It was a great
video, and hopefully, maybe tomorrow, maybe the next day, we'll dyno tune it, and she'll be making big old numbers. So, big old numbers. So, you guys know the deal. You do it.
Like, comment,
Subscribe. Stay tuned for more content, and
have a great day, everybody.